Seems unlikely that anybody will be able to see any difference, but there's another coat of paint on the places where paint is supposed to go. No cutting, so I'll have to get into the corners at another time. And I don't know if this was the right thing to do or not, but I used the kitchen and bathroom paint on the ceiling as well. I figured I've got a shower in here. I really don't know if ceiling paint is any good for humidity, so I used it. So there we are. And I think I might have to buy a second can to finish this room because this is only one coat. This is one coat in parts, and the rest of the bathroom has now seen two coats. But this wall and the ceiling need to be done again. Now, one nice touch is I got some smart bulbs, and they were inexpensive enough that I've put smart bulbs throughout the second floor. I only have this kind of socket on the second floor. And then I was kind of kicking myself because I realized the intention is to replace these light fixtures with something else, something nicer. So I don't know, maybe now I'll just stick with this kind of stuff so that I can take advantage of the color changing and the scheduling and all that business that comes with a smart bulb. It's quite nice. Anyway, that's the update for today. Hope you're all having a good one. Bye for now.